Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust the equaliser, the treble and the bass on your Samsung 7 Series TV. You can work your way over to settings via the menu, or you can just hit the settings button on the remote control, which is along the bottom left hand side here. We're going to be using the arrows here to work our way around and the middle button to enter. So we want to go to sound, so press down to sound, and we're going to go across to expert settings and press enter. And here we have equaliser. Go down to equaliser, and now you can change this. So this is your bass frequencies and these are your treble frequencies. So you can make them higher or lower depending on your room. So you can move them around and have a listen and see what you think. If you just want to reset it from here, you can just go to reset and then it will put them all back to the middle again. Yeah, like that. So let's just adjust them. And that is it. Even when you turn off your TV and come back in, that equaliser will still be there. So if I went back into it now, you can see that the adjustment has stayed. So that is it. That is how to change the equaliser on this Samsung 7 Series TV. Thanks for watching.